All right, boys and girls, we are here today, Monday, December 21st. We have Monday and then Tuesday this week, and then it is a little bit of a break here for you. You guys have been working hard. Most of you have done well getting your bundles in. So here's the deal. Up here, you're going to get a new bundle. It'll tell you what to do with it, okay? It says, be sure to watch the videos in Seesaw. I have been sending videos every day, whether you know it or not, through email and through Seesaw. I know it's telling you to watch these videos. You sure can. I don't care if you watch them through email or Seesaw. Right now, Seesaw, I'm just using that for videos and maybe some extra assignments, but they're just optional. I could see in the future where we might need to use it more, but again, up to you at this point. Anyway, let's get moving here for math. We have 3 things to do, and again, it's all based on this idea of place value. So number 1 here, it says Dawn showed 34 with 3 longs, so 10, 20, 30, and 4 cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that there is 34, and I see that clearly. Okay, we all know that that's 34. Luke showed 25 with 2 longs and 5 cubes. Okay, now here's where the questions come in. How many longs did Dawn and Luke have all together? So now we're focused just on the tens place, which is our longs. And if I were to look, I'm going to add these 3 plus these 2 and put them there. So what's 3 and 2? How many longs? You should put that number there. And then you're going to do the same thing with the cubes, 4 and 5. What is 4 plus 5? That's how many cubes. And then how much is that together? So what is 34 plus 25? Or, again, you can do this. 30 plus 20 is 50. And then 4 plus 5 is 9. And you're going to get your answer through all that work. Okay? Now, this is kind of the fun part down here where it says Luke found 1 more base 10 cube and traded 10 cubes for long. So here's the deal. Luke finds 1 more and he adds it to the amount that's above here. And you're supposed to show me what he got now. Okay. So if he added 1 to the other number, what is it? Again, you guys can figure that out. If you have questions, let me know. Use base 10 shorthand to show 15. Everyone's like, well, what is this base 10 shorthand? This is literally what it is. I'll do it right here as best I can. 15. What do you think that is? That is not a 1. It's a long. It's supposed to be a long, which represents 10. Okay. I'm going to scroll back up here. Let me see if I can get my cursor back. If I scroll back up here, do you see where my cursor is right here where it says long equals 1 slash? And then a cube equals just like a small square. That's exactly what I did down here. So 15 is, that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I'm going to go 35. 10, 20, 30, and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so I got 15 there and 35. And then on the bottom, it tells me, it says, what is the total value of the block? So now I need to add up those numbers. What is 15 plus 35? And then you're going to show me that using the fewest blocks total. Okay. And then 27 and 25, what's the value? Again, you can add 27. You can do, what's 27 plus 25 and tell me. But again, if you draw these blocks out, I'll just do this one here for you. Ready? There's 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, then I got to add my ones. 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. There are 50 blocks right there. All right. And how did I add that? How did I add that so quickly? I added the 10s first, then I added the 1s. And then we're going to go like this. 10, 20, fewest blocks, 30, 40, and 50. So this is page 1. And that should help you with that. Let's go on to the second page. Again, if you have questions, let me know. Shorthand, base 10 shorthand. Here we go again. Write the number in. These flats are worth 100, 200, 300. And count all those up, please. So yeah, count all that up. Write a number. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'm not afraid of this. 5 in the ones place. Well, I know that the ones place is always way over here. So that's a 5 in the ones place. 3 in the hundreds. That's usually over here, right? The hundreds place. And then a 2 in the tens. What number did I just create? Bad handwriting, Yeltman. You got to do better. 325. And then, so that again, ones, tens, hundreds. Over here, how many hundreds are in 506? How many tens? How many ones? And then you're going to eat the bigger number. So again, this is, you guys can handle this one. You really can handle this one. Let me see here. Oh, this one, I like this one. Martha wrote 24 right here. Do you see that? She wrote 24 to describe the number shown by the base. So she thought that this was 24. Do you agree with her? So if you think that that shows 24, you can say, yes, I agree with her. And why do you agree with her? Or if you don't agree, you need to explain why not. By the way, I want a quick review. These big squares, they're worth 100. They are a flat. So that's 100 already right there. And then you'd add this one and this one. She thinks it's 24. I don't know. I hope you guys know your flats and your longs and your tens. Write the time. Little hand, big hand. That's what you say. Little hand first. Then you count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And you try to figure out where it ends. So the little hand, show me what time it's showing. And then the big hand, you just count by 5. Starting up here. Ready, set, go. 5, 10, 15, and you keep going. All right, number 2. Jill has 9 fewer stamps than Kelly. So Jill has less stamps than Kelly, pretty much. Jill has 9 fewer stamps than Kelly. Well, Kelly has 16 stamps. If Kelly has 16 and Jill has 9 less than that, or 9 fewer, how many does Jill have? So for this one, again, Jill has 9 less than Kelly. Well, if Kelly has 16 and Jill has less than that, you're probably going to want to subtract, if that makes any sense there. Using a number grid, you guys did this last week. I remember doing this with you. Fill in the blanks, 85, 90, 200. It's the same thing except we're in the hundreds there. 185, 190, 200, and then you start over. Write a number sentence to show how you found one of the distances. So for number 3, how do you know? By the way, the number grid, let's just be super clear. When you're using the number grid, you need to count by tens when you go straight down as much as you can. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's just go over there. I'll show you. I'm not afraid of this. Here. If you don't have a number grid at home, you can still figure this out in different ways. But here's my point. This is the big old number grid right here, and it's asking you to go from 50 down to 100. If I'm here at 50, I'm not going to go to 51. I'm going to go straight down as much as I can. Ready, set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Kind of gave you the answer there, but my point is on the number grid, when you move down, you're going to move down by tens. And so when you say on number 5 where it says write a sentence to show how did you find it? You say, well, when I use the number grid, I was counting down by tens. And then maybe you had to count by ones, but yeah, number 5 is not too terrible if you guys just tell me what you did to get it. All right, you guys, good luck with math. Happy Monday. Readings next.